Morning. It's just after 9 o'clock on a frosty Sunday morning, and I'm just heading down onto what's affectionately called Route 66. Well, I think it's actually called that, which is the cycle path in York. Now, I think the last video I uploaded was on this cycle path route, and it's a series of caches named after birds, and the cache owner has named them after birds that he heard or saw in the area where he's left the cache. So I'm just going under the bridge that passes under, whatever you want to call it, Heworth Green I think it is, on Malton Road in York. And as you can see behind me, there's some graffiti, but it's much quieter on here. The only thing I'm likely to encounter on here is a few cyclists and the odd early morning walker, probably walking a dog. The arrow again is pointing in the wrong direction. We're about 500 metres away from this one called Blackbird. I think this is the back of Dodsworth Avenue to my right, and there's a sports complex here. I think they do a lot of trampolining and stuff. I think it's linked to York St John Uni if I'm not mistaken. Along this route there are a lot of strange blue structures, metallic structures. I guess they're supposed to pass as art. Bit of black ice along this route, let's hope I don't fall. See, that's some old, I say old, it's installed pipework. I don't know whether it's actually part of anything, but it's got some seats in it as that one. Another one, also a bench. Definitely not good weather for sitting on a metal pipe. Bit numbing on your cheeks. About 186 metres away. So down there through the trees, you've got the River Foss, which is flowing quite fast at the moment. Generally quite a slow flower, but we've had quite a bit of water and rain and snow and stuff, and there'll be a lot coming down from the hills. And then this bridge crosses Huntington Road. Somebody coming along on an early morning jog. Okay, so this has just buzzed at me to say that I'm in the right area, and the hint, I don't know whether you can read that, it says magnetic blue, and I'm wondering if it's just on that little bit there on the end, so I might just loiter here and see if I can find it. Right, so I have found it, and it's actually a really dry log. So for the first time in a little while, I can actually sign this one, because the last ones I've done, the logs have either been missing or just simply too wet. It's a nice little hide is that one, all back in. Morning. So if you've liked this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. I'm now going to go on to the next cache. See you later.